Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System. Intelligent trader understands that this is where price heading to next. What is the problem with this trade that you are seeing in front of you? When scanner giving you multiple alerts, the biggest problem right now is a historical high, which makes trading extremely aggressive. This is what intelligent trader understands. This is historical week, last week in the month of June. Historical high creating problems. Every single day we had historical highs, and that requires ultimate skill in your trading. So when I bring up to your attention this software right now, this is what intelligent trader understands. This is not a little market. This is historical event. Bold red line identifies its extremely aggressive trade. Market in pain. Conservative trader would not be touching this trade. Conservative trader understands the best case scenario here is pain. There is no bottom. This is ultimate top. Historical highs every single day for the last 5 days. As I spell out every single day since March 23rd, 2020, institutions buying everything. Intelligent trader who understands this, not in pain. Trade is not on 1-minute chart, trade converted to any chart. Massive numbers of trade playing out. Right now, intelligent trader moving stop outside of break even. This is ultimate precision in front of you. This is ultimate reminder. If you decide to trade aggressive, if you decide to buy historical high, you must obey bold pink line. And that's precision, and that's reminder of extremely aggressive markets. There is no surprise, all precise. And that's what you witness in the trading room every single day. Ultimate reminder of very challenging markets we're dealing with. Only if you have ultimate precision of Alpha Fibonacci system, you succeed in such challenging market conditions. Here's daily chart in front of you. For the last 2 weeks, every single day historical high is present. Every single day extremely aggressive trading. But there is absolutely no shorts in this market, as intelligent trader starts every single day with institutional chart. It's a vertical rally during the worst economic crisis. It's a very different trading, June 2020 versus June 2021. This was ultimate point of entry. This was conservative point of entry. 4100. This is not. 4100 was institutional support. Right now, it's institutional resistance. So if I take you back and remind you how crucial this chart is, it's for one simple reason. Institutions not trading 1-minute chart. Institutions not trading 5 or 15-minute chart. It takes days, weeks, and months to enter multi-million, multi-billion dollar position. I know, I work with them. So if you think as institutional trader does, if you understand institutional trading range, if you understand institutional levels, you are in excellent shape. You can deal with all market conditions. Let's review the events of the month of June and the events of historical crash. Shall we? As bullish crawl in very aggressive historical high remains, there is no institutional sellers. December 2019 market reaches historical high institutional reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands it's quiet before the storm. Intelligent trader understands what identifies institutional sell-offs. And when the crash in a play, intelligent trader knows many months ahead where institutional points of entry will be. 2200 level, institutional bullish point of entry. So when price reaches crucial target on March 23rd, there is no surprise, all precise. But if you're trading small account with institutions, this is what your chart looks like in March 2020. Ultimate institutional points of entry at the end of March 2020. Every single day, hundreds of trades on Nasdaq, 50 plus trades on Dow, 10, 15, 20 trades on S&P. This is institutional buys. This is where multi-million, multi-billion dollar positions were taking. This is what played out next. Bullish rally remains in 2020. Intelligent trader understands how to trade with institutions. Intelligent trader riding markets with joy, with power, with precision, with confidence every single day. And when the market reaches reversal zone, it's a critical moment. But in 2020, institutions buying every single pullback. 2900 key institutional support respected. Institutions not selling the markets. This morning, it's a very different trading. Historical high started being created since August 2020. This morning, it's a very different trading. This requires knowledge of pure price. This requires Alpha Fibonacci rules and understanding of bold pink line. There is no 100-point trading range. There is no 50 points trading range. Your trading range extremely limited. Let's review Alpha Fibonacci system on day trading chart in the month of June. Shall we? As this aggressive trading remains, and it will last many months, even years. So here's your key day trading chart present in the trading room in the month of June. So let me take you back with Alpha Fibonacci system all the way before market skyrocketed at this level. So here's June 16th on this chart, traders. On June 16th, you understand where institutional points of entry will be. So if I change this chart to June 18th, price heading to crucial levels. On Monday, June 21st, bullish rally skyrockets. Pay attention, please, as all the details in live class after the close of the trading room. This is the power of the system. You know everything in advance. You are not gambling, you are strategizing. You're trading markets as a chess game. So on this chart, you're witnessing key moment. The end of the minor trend is out. Price is heading higher. This is exactly what's playing out in front of you. In the live markets right now, on your critical trades. Let's see what played out. Again and again and again. Every single morning here. June 23rd, the slowest Wednesday on record. Crawl is on. Price is stuck. Here comes historical high. Intelligent trader knows this many days in advance. That's it. This is the power of the system. This is what you do every single day before you ever place a trade. This was conservative point of entry. This morning we are at historical high. And that's the only option this morning. Extremely aggressive long. There is no surprise, all precise. And the ultimate reminder why system traded globally on all instruments, all time frames. So if you can manage these markets, which can last many months and even years, everything else will be a breeze. Market is a stepping stone on any instrument you trade. So if you understand the power of buying the bottom with institutions versus extremely aggressive trading very close to historical high, you understand extremely well how to manage your positions. You are not speculating, you are not stressing out, you are not creating pain in your life. Correct? You are an intelligent trader. You understand. If hedge fund traders, hedge fund managers not chasing cheap systems, cheap indicators, why in the world would you? They trading pure price. It is in front of you. There is no indicators here. This is Alpha Fibonacci precision every single day. And that's identical example on Apple. I presented the biggest convention when Apple presents with the worst earnings in 13 years, but Apple at critical alpha Fibonacci support at the bold pink line. I state if Apple will respect this level, Apple will skyrocket. It's done exactly that. Many months ahead you know where Apple would crash from. And when Apple reaches next level, which is exact same thing as playing out in front of you, and crashing from reversal zone you knew many months ahead, as well as you knew how to buy the bottom, you are in excellent shape. You don't have to day trade with Alpha Fibonacci system. You can trade anything you choose. Here's the emails. I received in the month of June. Ken, crypto trader. Mustafa, oil stocks trader. Steve was laughing when I called him because everyone around him was buying Bitcoin at 50 and 60. Let me remind you why Steve was laughing. So here's a Bitcoin at the start of 2021. Many months in advance, you know where Bitcoin would crash from. So when Bitcoin reaches that level, slowly but surely, market is a stepping stone with Alpha Fibonacci System. At reversal zone, it's a quiet before the storm. You are not buying reversal zone. There is a very good reason I named it reversal zone, as price crashes from these levels 80+% of the time, and that's exactly what happened. And that's the reason Steve laughing. He knows extremely well not to buy at this level. Collapse on Bitcoin 50+%. Here's a Bitcoin now, traders. Bitcoin in a whole lot of pain. Sold off from 65,000 all the way to 28,000 level. Oops. Buyers are weak on Bitcoin. Intelligent trader knows this with a single glimpse looking at this chart. Steve knows, interested at Bitcoin at 5,000 level. Intelligent trader knows what this means. Single glimpse is all you will ever need to separate power from weakness. So exact same thing you saw on S&P, exact same thing playing out on any instrument you choose to trade. So when my students can do this well in such market conditions, the sky's the limit. Sue's a legend. Listen to her podcast, please. Theo loves to trade Forex when markets are difficult on futures. Of course you can. You can trade anything you choose with Alpha Fibonacci System. I'm meeting with Fiery Boards in New York in a couple of weeks. I travel the world meeting with my students. I love what I do. That's it. I simply ask you to make an effort. And the quote from Manu is the reason I'm writing my book about my journey with our global community from US to Australia to Dubai to Saudi Arabia to Florida to New York to Texas. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. It never gets old. If you're a hedge fund manager or not. Market is a stepping stone. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system this morning on S&P mini future with a very aggressive trade. Nothing else is possible, only this. And this is a review of the months of June, and this is a review on Bitcoin and Apple since 2015. If you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. So this is phenomenal effort by intelligent trader. 1500 pips on Forex. Never get sold to see what's possible. Stunning. See you right now in a trade. Obeying identical rules you see in front of you every single day. So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. I look forward to doing podcasts with you about your journey and your story. As our community in more than 50 countries, where every single trader trades different instrument, different account, different platform. This is a lifetime system for all platforms and software for Ninja 8. View videos students made about their lives, view students' performance, and choose from option appropriate for you. It's a group course with lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8. With video library modules and videos included, live classes and trading room. Private mentoring for months includes all group classes, videos and modules. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. Stunning, incredible work. I'm off to mentoring session with Kathleen after the close of the trading room. Live class starting next.